we are talking about simple machines. Simple machines help make work easier. A roller is one example of a simple machine. It can be used to make things flat or smooth, like when rolling out dough to make a pie, or putting paint on a wall, or packing down dirt when laying sod or paving a road. We can use rollers in a series to help us move heavy objects, like at a grocery store, or baggage at an airport. Another example of a simple machine is a wheel and axle. A wheel is a short cylinder that is attached to an axle. Unlike a roller, if you're moving a load, the load moves with the wheel. It's easier to steer a load on a wheel and axle than using rollers. So a wheel is a short cylinder attached with an axle. You can make your own example with a toilet paper or a paper towel tube that's cut into a section. You'll need something to hold the axle, like styrofoam or maybe Play-Doh. And then you'll need an axle, like a bamboo stick, a pencil, or a piece of dowel. So I have my paper towel roll, my styrofoam, and I'm going to stick in my bamboo stick, and I have a wheel. Okay, the wheel rolls. We're going to look at how far a wheel can move with the axle. I've created a bigger wheel using a can and a dowel. I've attached a piece of paper to it, and I'm going to measure how far the wheel moves in one rotation. So I have a couple of pieces of paper, and I'm going to start with my paper strip right at the very top, right at the very edge of my piece of paper. I'm going to rotate my wheel one time around until my paper is back at the top and make a mark. We're going to notice how far the axle moves. I'm taking it apart, and we're going to do the same thing with just the axle. Starting at the very edge of the paper, one rotation of the axle, and it's straight up and down, and there's my mark. So we can see that a very short or very small movement with the axle that goes this far makes a very big movement for the wheel going this far. So we can make work easier with small movements to make big movements. Try making your own wheel and axle using different items around the house and see how far you can make the wheel go.